next thing done, since all my glass is out, we tinted everything.
It's all brand new glass. You even had to take the new vent windows out of their frame.
Yep. So I got a guy local here. It is curbside window tinting, and I'll put his information up there, but he does a lot of work here in Jacksonville and does great work. So
Trucks, cars, he'll even do storefronts.
yeah, he did.
Yep.
He did the leaderboard arcade as well. So
Yep. So
good work. I'm happy with it. I wanted to get all these tinted while they were brand new, so no dirt or anything like that in them.
this is for his Charger, and I'll probably get them done on the Daytona too. I got new glass coming.
Yep. Cool. Okay, moving on. Okay, next thing. Been a while since we've seen these. Pretty good. Okay, bumper brackets. We cleaned up all the bumper bolts. Well, this is the bumperette kick out. We need to put the thing on there first.
It's in that thing over there. Oh, bring the other brake or the bracket over too.
I don't see where the little...
Oh, they're down in my thing. I think I threw all that back down in on the floor.
Alright, we'll get our ducks in a row here. Okay, so with this tight, this needs to be flexed up. You can see this comes down, where this one is fairly tight, and it is to where this, when that gets all the way tight, that'll be flush. This is hanging down like a ½ inch, if you can tell with that bright light. So we're going to take that back off, flex this more up to the body, and hopefully get it situated right. I got music. Hey Siri, stop Pandora.
Okay, here we are. We got, I have to wipe those off, but these are the bumper brackets.
We bent that, it went right back up into place.
Yeah, this was down, this one was down, but tighten this up, brought it right back up.
Yep.
Bumperettes will go into that, bottom of them.
Yep, looking good. Okay, this is the correct sides. So this is left, that's right. You know, because it comes up flat here towards the inside, and that puts these bolts more towards the inside. If you have them reversed, which we just did, it puts the bolts farther to the left and farther to the right, and then they don't line up with your holes.
Yeah, the outside edges taper out and out, and this whole thing you can see slants down away from the center.
Yep. So that's that. Let's put her in. Let's see. So we want to bang that one.
Yeah.
To the left some. Is that the deal? Yeah, it needs to go left.
Yeah.
Oh, I can move it.
Okay. We're right here.
Maybe far enough. I don't know.
Yeah, it should be. That's about as far as it can go.
And that, it may need to be, we need to take this off and drill this out more, because that's not in the center of this.
Yeah.
See? So the bumperettes go down in the center of this recession, and I don't think that's going to go. I think we need to take this out, waller that out, and let that go farther that way.
I just wondered what is a recession. I thought that was about money.
This is a
A
recession.
recess.
We love a recession right there.
We don't like recessions.
Recession? So
Okay.
This one will be fine where it's at, because that's right dead center of that. But this one, we got to go more that way.
Okay.
There's no adjustment in this at all, is there? This bracket, like we could loosen those and push it that way a little.
Yeah.
Let's try that real quick.
There it is. think that's 5/8.
5/8.
I think it's a 5/8. So,
See ya.
so that could be the last thing snugged up. Yep. Yeah.
No, still. That's pretty darn close to the center.
Okay.
It gave us a smidge. Let's put it on there and see if we can get a bolt in it. I'd say put your hands on this outside so we don't kill it. This way. Let's see.
I'm in,
Okay.
but not. Yeah, it's not in far enough to get this over. Is yours? No.
I'm flat again it.
Yeah. So what's different?
Yeah, we had it all the way in. Let's pop it out a little bit. There, now I went in.
Well, you're gonna have to pull this one down. Still not.
Oh, I see.
I got the bumper.
You got it. Let me tweak it.
It's hard when you're working on this. You don't want to scratch paint. There you go.
You're still a half inch away.
I know. I couldn't get it even started. We can put the bolt in, and then that would suck it.
Shove that over a little.
Is that lined up?
But mine is still buried where it needs to be, and you're
There, it's going in now.
getting closer. Yeah, you still need a half inch pop.
There.
Like pop it one time like that. I got the bumper in there.
Well, I got the thing in my hand. I don't know. This in?
No. Pop this. Your bracket's not in yet. You're still a half inch away from hitting home.
Well, hold it. You pop it. There you go. Oh, there you got it. It's lined up now.
Okay.
Well, I'm not. There. Oh, come on.
Come on, baby.
I can't. You can't see it. What about yours? Not yours in normal either. Because we need a screwdriver to line them up.
Okay. You got the other bolt?
Yeah, it's here.
Okay.
This one's close.
Oh, hold on. I got moved over.
Yep. Try to pull if you can do it. Keep the pressure off of it.
I just need a little hammer. just to be able to tap it when I'm on it. And it always seems to be.
This one's lined up. Just need to pull it down a little bit.
A little more swinging power. You see it's close.
Yeah, cool. Yeah. Oh, that just walked over for a second.
It's
Oh, I see. You went a little too far. way in there now. Yeah, we're ready.
You ready?
Yeah. Should be ready for this one. Let me find it.
Okay. I'm not gonna
What about this?
super tight it. Where's the other bolt?
You had it. On your side.
Oh, it's over there.
You probably did right there. Yeah.
It's over there.
And
It might do. I don't know.
look like it will.
I think we're pretty close. Okay.
Okay, bumperettes are in. Now we gotta.
They're not super tight.
No. Wow.
Now
Yeah,
we
that's gotta be sucked
inside.
in.
We gotta get inside and cinch them up.
Yeah, and you've got what? The big bolts right here.
Yep, all them.
All them and the washers.
Yeah, we got all them washers.
Okay. Yeah, because I'm
It
not
looks symmetrical,
good.
and it looks like it's almost made for this car.
You'd think. Yep, it looks good.
I like it.
You want to do that later, or stand on a ladder, or move the stuff
We'd have to
out
move
of
the
way?
mower and pull it out.
All right,
We can do this in a week when I get back in town.
Yeah, let's put the bumper
After Moultrie.
Let's put
you-
the bumpers
Get your
both
mower,
greased
get
on
this.
there to where they won't come off.
Okay, yeah, I'm down with that. Then I got a sticker to put in there. My Thrush sticker's going right there.
Yeah.
I gotta see where it was originally in 1969.
Why don't you want to get a ladder and just put them on? Because I don't want to.
Oh, we can do that.
Yeah.
And not cinch everything up yet?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, we can do that.
You got the straight screwdriver to open that.
Yep.
This is the perfect quartz screwdriver.
Goes up at an angle.
Yeah. I'm at a weird angle.
Can't see it.
I'm usually not down.
You can see it straight in there.
I'm not that tall. You know that towel? Is this going to be enough?
Maybe, yeah. I can just reach in with my hands and...
Here, with one side. You might be able to. Are you filming?
Yeah, I'm filming it.
Okay. You're filming.
Whoa.
Look at him down in there.
Yeah, don't.
I'm not going down there.
Oh no.
Don't drop one way down in there.
No, it dropped out of the bumper.
Oh, right there. You can get that out. You know, another 20 years, it'll come out of there. Over here, there's a notch.
You know why? Because you pushed it and it popped the bolt out.
Oh,
That's why. So we need to figure out how to get that back up in through the hole. So we'll be back 30 minutes later. We'll come back and show you it's done. Okay, where my new chrome pieces go, there was a little red line in between the quarter extension and the new chrome, so I wanted it all black beneath there. So take off quarter extensions, retape, respray, and then now we'll put quarter extension back on, put chrome pieces back on, and then we'll be beautiful. Welcome to Clark's Place. Today on our small videos, I've been doing all the detail, putting everything back on the car. Got the tail lights, chrome, bumper, all that good stuff in. And one of my favorite things, not sure how well it'll turn out here on the camera, but there was a 104 octane sticker on the bumper that I found a guy that had a 1970s sticker, and he had one left. I don't know if he's actually recreating them or not, but yeah, I'm gonna put that sticker on there, then maybe do the trunk lock And that'll pretty much finish this rear end. Maybe the tail or the license plate light still needs to go on. But
Where's your sticker?
we'll put a sticker
Oh, there
on.
it is.
You gonna put it on for me?
No.
No bubbles. You can put it on. So that's the sticker that looks like it's perfect. So let's get it on there. Let's get it on.
And there's who had it.
You need a good reference point. Look, it's like,
It's upside down.
oops, a daisy.
Do I have to turn your car upside down to put it
Yeah.
on?
Well, I don't know why it's done that.
Hey, people. Videos you see people. I want this and a haircut.
So you got like 4 inches away from that bolt, the flames stick towards. Oh yeah. I'd put it. Let's be nostalgic and put it in the same spot, even though they didn't.
You want a piece of tape?
They
to
didn't. They
tape
didn't level it.
where you want the edge.
No tape involved. Just stick it on there, pap.
You're gonna do it.
That way I can live the rest of my life. No, my dad put my sticker on my car.
Care if it's crooked.
That's
Well, that's the thing. You got to put it on straight. That's where I'll probably be yelling at you in 3 minutes. Now we have that memory.
You want a piece of tape?
no. I think you need to put it on. So if you mess it up,
I'm a sticker putter on there, so.
yeah, you sit on the floor here so you can get it level.
All right.
You can't. You'll be sitting too high. So
Okay.
there you go. To do it right, you should wet it, and then you can squeegee it out.
Are
But
you crazy? This is a sticker.
I know you can do that with stickers.
You're nuts.
It's
And now I can see you're nuts.
well, you're only about 2 inches from that bolt now.
Okay, so it needs to be over here.
I think so. 4 inches, you said.
All right, take a step back. Look, does that look level with the line?
Yes, it does.
Okay.
Ooh, we're zooming in on this, so you get a wrinkle.
Wrinkle in time. No bubbles.
No bubbles.
On it just barely goes around the bottom of it too. So
Wow,
I
it's
think,
perfect.
I think
104 octane boost.
yeah, I don't think there's like lots of modern day versions of this logo.
Yeah.
But this was the one that matched that picture. So it's on there.
Totally awesome. For nostalgic purpose. Nostalgic purpose.
Yeah, no one's gonna get it but me. But now everyone that watches the video can get it. So
Yep. Okay.
yeah. Okay, we'll maybe do trunk lock and something else here next.
Yep.
Or if that's the end, thanks for watching. Bye bye.